Welcome back to another exciting project update. Today we're diving into something really special, our latest project at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Macau. In the video, you'll catch us meticulously measuring with rulers and experimenting with different ink colors to achieve those perfect tones. The brushwork? It's an art in itself, delicately applying layers to achieve that sought-after vintage look. Sometimes it takes a few passes to get it just right. Our skilled artisan Joe takes center stage in the video, patiently guiding each stroke to ensure every line is flawless. Once the colors are locked in, we fill any gaps with transparent resin to level everything out and add a protective layer. Then comes the final touch, an epoxy resin layer meticulously applied to add some accent to the artwork. Joe's right there, mapping out where each pore should go with precision. Picture this. We've been tasked with creating these absolutely stunning artworks for their lobby and elevator hall. It's a project that's got us buzzing with creativity. Here's how it works. First, the interior designer hands us their concept art. Our job is to tweak and refine it so we can bring it to life using resin, acrylic, or ink. Once everyone's on board, designer and contractor alike, we move on to crafting samples. And get this, we're not talking just a handful, we're looking at around 30 unique panels in total. What makes this project really intriguing is the diversity. Unlike our usual gigs where consistency is key across all panels, here we're embracing variety. Each panel boasts its own distinct design, but they harmonize beautifully in style and technique. And the finished panels? Well, they're simply breathtaking. There's something about abstract lines and patterns that just captivate the eye, don't you think? When these panels are installed, they're going to transform the space into something truly extraordinary. So that's a glimpse into our latest creative adventure. This video is a condensed version, but if you're hungry for more details, just drop us a comment below. And hey, if you're enjoying what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got plenty more in store for you, so stay tuned. Until next time, take care and keep creating.